Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today in this video we are going to talk about the Notion versus Obsidian versus the Capacities. Which note-taking app should you use in 2025? So here is a quick breakdown. So Notion is all-in-one and cloud-based, and its features are best for structured docs, wikis, and databases. Great team collaboration and works online with mobile and desktop apps, but it can feel slow and cluttered for deep thinkers. Best for organized planners and teams. Now let's head to the Obsidian. So Obsidian is a local first and markdown based, no internet needed. Link nodes like a brain. Graph view, it's like a brain. That's pretty cool. And super customizable with plugins, great for personal knowledge management and deep focus. Ideal for writers, researchers, and Zettelkasten fans. Now let's talk about the capacities. So capacities is newer and AI integrated. Its features are object-based note systems, text plus media friendly, smart modern interface. It brings structure and credibility well, perfect for visual thinkers and creators. Now here is the conclusion for you. You should use Notion for teams and productivity. Choose Obsidian for local notes and deep thought. Pick Capacities for visual creative workflows. So if you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us know which one you are going to pick in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.